Hey everyone, it's Sara from Edcafe AI, and today I'm going to walk you through how we can add audio into your Edcafe AI materials, instructions, and student activities. If you missed the video on adding in different images and links to your Edcafe materials, take a look at the video linked up above. By adding in our audio to our instructions or different materials, this will allow students to listen to that audio before completing the assignment, the homework, or the different tasks and activities or quizzes that you have available for them. So to add in this audio, I have an example here of a summary note based on color theory. So this is based on a presentation we did in class, and maybe we also shared an audio in class, or you want to share with students a podcast or something that they should also listen to in addition to this summary if you want to share it with them. So to add that audio in, we can just backslash here, or you can select the audio icon up on that top taskbar. So then we can select audio and you're able to add your file from your device right there. Once it's added in, you can continue to edit or just give it a save and then we can share it with our students. So that way we can take a look at this and you can see that along with the summary note, students are able to go ahead and begin listening to that audio.
Welcome, readers. I'm Dr. William Anderson.
Now you guys can go explore and add this audio to your different Edcafe materials.